Blocking someone on eBay can help you avoid unwanted interactions with other users. Follow these steps to effectively block a user on the platform. Step 1. Sign into your eBay account. Log into your eBay account using your username and password. Make sure you are on the main eBay homepage. Step 2. Go to the blocked bidder list. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on My eBay at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account and then look for Site Preferences or Account Preferences. Step 3. Find the User Block option. In the Site Preferences section, scroll down until you find the Blocked Bidder/Buyer List option. Click on Edit next to this option to manage your blocked users. Step 4. Add the user to your blocked lists. Enter the username of the person you want to block in the provided field. After typing the username, click on the Submit or Add button to confirm the action. Step 5. Confirm the block. Once you have added the user, you should see their username listed in your blocked bidders list. Review the list to ensure the user has been successfully blocked. By following these steps, you can easily block unwanted users on eBay and enhance your buying and selling experience.